found a trending digital product on Etsy that is generating a lot of daily sales, and with low competition in the market, it's clear why this product is so profitable. So if you're looking to create a profitable digital product like this, keep watching as I unveil the easiest way to use AI to generate these products and achieve similar results. I became convinced that this steampunk junk journal design was performing well when I checked the reviews and sorted them by most recent, and noticed that this product was receiving numerous daily reviews, which indicates high demand. And using this Etsy external analyzer, I discovered just how profitable this product was by using the keyword research option to search for steampunk junk journal. Now, jumping into creating this digital product like this involves 3 steps: using ChatGPT to generate the prompt, creating visuals in the image generation platform, and applying the final touch in Canva. Now, starting with the prompt section, there are 2 ways to create a prompt for this design, with the second method being effortless. In the first method, I initially start the prompt with the name of the product, which happens to be the customization of the prompt. After this, I go over to the thumbnail of this product to see an image I can describe. Then I conclude with Vintage-Style, and also I could paste this prompt into ChatGPT to ask it to generate more variations from it. And just like that, I get more prompts I can use to generate results similar to that of my competitor. Sometimes, to get an even better prompt result, you have to keep instructing ChatGPT for you to generate an accurate prompt for you. But to make this process effortless for you, I created a package of 100 prompts you can use to start this similar business. With this, you don't have to worry about prompt creation for this digital product. All you have to do is to copy and paste it in an image generation platform. The link will be in the description. And special thanks to Timothy and Valerie for their support in making this possible. Now, moving on to generating the prompt, you might be considering using Midjourney to generate this prompt. But let me introduce you to a free alternative that produces better results for junk journal designs. This platform is Magic Media, one of Canva's best AI tools. It provides you with 500 tokens each month for image generation, which you can get it from Canva app section. To use this AI, I initially created an A4 size, pasted my prompt, set the style to none since my prompt has its own style, and changed the aspect ratio from square to portrait. After generating the image, this is what I got. And I also tested 3 of these prompts from the 100 prompts I talked about earlier, just to show you a piece of what you get, and this was the result. I hope you're still watching because I'll soon reveal a better trick to make your product to be seen among these bestsellers. After aligning the chosen design on the frame, I exported it as PNG or JPEG. But since AI generated images often has low resolution, I use Remini to upscale my designs. After uploading the design to Remini, you'll notice a significant improvement in image quality. I always disable the color option to maintain the original color of the design. Now, to increase the chances of your product being seen, you have to use the same tag as your competitor. To do this, use Alura Shop Analyzer features by pressing the name of the store that is selling that product. After searching for the product among these listings, select it and copy the tag using that listings into yours. Now, whenever customers search for your competitor's product, there's a high chance that your product will be suggested as well. Finally, thanks to everyone who has watched this video until the end. Remember that success on Etsy comes from selling quality products. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.